Looking to build or expand your boat's NMEA 2000 network without the hassle? Garmin's NMEA 2000 power cable offers a simple, reliable solution. With a 6-foot, 2-meter length, it lets you power your network directly from your boat's battery, making it easier than ever to connect your marine stereo or other devices. I recently installed this power cable on my boat, and the difference was clear right away. The cable's solid construction gave me confidence it would hold up in marine conditions. While the fuse's positive wire isn't very long, it was enough for my setup, though you might want to extend it depending on your boat's layout. Setting it up was straightforward, and I appreciated the included fuse holder, which adds an important layer of protection for your system. If you're upgrading or building your NMEA 2000 network, Garmin's power cable is worth a look. It fits perfectly and delivers consistent power without fuss. Whether you're powering a marine stereo or other NMEA 2000 devices, this cable simplifies the process and helps keep your boat's electronics running smoothly. Try it when you're ready to take your boat's network to the next level.